Greetings to the esteemed judges. Picture this, a school going boy in a remote village with no internet, no app store access, but within seconds, he's navigating through a game on his parent's smartphone, which teaches him about the real life applications of science and maths, that too in a gamified way. This isn't a dream, this is Kridāksha. Too often, students find crucial STEM subjects difficult and boring, leading to rote memorization instead of real understanding. Kridāksha tackles this challenge head on. Our platform uses the power of gamification to transform learning into an engaging adventure, where concepts become challenges to conquer and progress is rewarded. This video will demonstrate a prototype showcasing the core student journey from learning and playing to achieving. We believe Kridāksha can redefine student engagement in education, especially in the rural areas.
So here's Kridāksha, the complete gamified learning ecosystem designed specially for students from rural India. Our prototype has three core pillars: offline first architecture, multilingual access, and gamified STEM learning. Now let's take a look at our prototype. This is our login page for Kridāksha. Here user can log in with their credentials or sign up for a new account. This page also supports multilingual switching from the drop down in the top right corner. This is our homepage for our Kridāksha. Let me brief you about the front end of our prototype. We use a clean and simple tech stack. The structure is built with HTML function through JS styled with both CSS and Tailwind CSS for faster and responsive design. Our prototype supports instant language switching using a lightweight JSON and JavaScript system, where every text element is linked to a translation key. When a user switches language from the dropdown, the content updates instantly without reloading the page. Since translation are cached locally, it works seamlessly even in slow or offline conditions. Then we have designed engaging cards for math, science and computer science. Students just click a subject to begin learning in a fun and interactive way.
So when we started working on our backend, the major issue we faced was providing the website content and games to the low connectivity areas having low bandwidth access. इस प्रॉब्लम को ओवरकम करने के लिए हमने कैश फाइल्स का यूज करा है जो ऑफलाइन सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करती हैं, लोकली डिवाइस पे स्टोर हो जाती हैं, जिससे गेम एक ही बार में डाउनलोड हो जाए एंड सारा प्रोग्रेस लोकली स्टोर हो जाए. मोर ओवर हमने रेस्ट एपीआईज यूज किया है जो जेसन फाइल के साथ बहुत वेल कनेक्टेड है एंड यूनिटी वेब रिक्वेस्ट को भी सपोर्ट करता है. इस एपीआई को एक डाटाबेस से कनेक्ट करा है जो एपीआई की फेच की गई इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर करता है, जैसे SQLite या Firebase. मल्टीलिंगुअल सपोर्ट के लिए हमने जेसन फाइल्स यूज करी हैं जो बहुत फास्ट एक्सेस प्रोवाइड कराती हैं. ओवरऑल हमारा एक वेल डिफाइंड बैकएंड है जो सिंपल है बट येट इफेक्टिव है.
Physics is often taught with equation on the board, but students don't always get an intuition of what those equations mean in real life. We wanted to fix that, so we built many small interactive physics games where students can experiment and visualize and learn the concept fast. Here is one of the game I have developed so far to make them understand the concept mass friction force with the help of a ball. I have provided everything one on the screen which is easily can be understand and provide a clear description to make them clear. Teacher can use this to demonstrate this game in the class, which helps student to understand concept fast. This is the game engine on which the game has been made. I have tried to make this game size as small as possible. I have used compression broadly instead of raw, which made file size decrease from 90 MB to 16 MB, which gave us the smallest size and made asset as low as possible. From this, it can load faster and can even run on low-end devices. Why we wanted to decrease the size of the game? So that students in rural areas can easily download. They do not require high connectivity to run the game. In future plan, we can keep adding small games like this and add more small mini games and quizzes.
Our project turn concepts into experiments and make learning interactive, intuitive and fun. We are Team Ayasta and this was our prototype. Thank you.